Welcome to the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Friday evening, September 19th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of cryptocurrency news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Brera Holdings to rebrand as Solmate following $300 million PIPE backed by Solana Foundation, ARK Invest, Rockaway X, and Pulsar Group. Brera Holdings, trading under the ticker symbol Brera, has announced a rebrand to Solmate, a Solana-based digital asset treasury and crypto infrastructure company. This follows a successful $300 million PIPE financing round led by Pulsar Group, with support from the Solana Foundation, Rockaway X, and ARK Invest. Marco Santori, former chief legal officer at Kraken, will take the helm as CEO. Solmate's strategic focus includes deploying capital into revenue-generating crypto infrastructure in the UAE, such as bare metal servers in Abu Dhabi, to boost Solana validator performance. With strong backing from prominent blockchain and investment firms, Solmate aims to drive Solana adoption in institutional markets, DeFi, NFTs, and AI, while aligning with the UAE's digital transformation strategy.
Mission IR News Breaks. Brera Holdings PLC jumps as ARK Invest buys $49.7 million stake, trims Roku and Tempest AI. Brera Holdings PLC, now rebranding as Solmate and focusing on a Solana-based digital asset treasury and crypto infrastructure, saw a significant increase in its stock after Cathie Wood's ARK Invest purchased over 6.5 million shares, valued at nearly $50 million. This comes after Brera's successful $300 million private placement. ARK also sold shares in Roku and Tempest AI, while adding positions in companies like Arcturus Therapeutics, ATI Life Sciences, AeroVironment, Baidu, and Pony.ai. Brera Holdings stock has risen over 200% this year, showcasing its growth and potential in the market.
Royalty Management Holding Corporation announces the creation of data center, AI, and alternative currency mining division, the Vault Holding Corporation. Royalty Management Holding Corporation has announced the creation of a new subsidiary called the Vault Holding Corporation, focused on data center, artificial intelligence, and alternative currency mining. The Vault will invest in and expand its holdings in these sectors, with the potential for a public spin-off. The company aims to generate revenue and income through mining activities at controlled sites with favorable electricity rates. The Vault will lease assets, deploy its own servers, and acquire other properties in this sector to drive growth and monetization. Investors can expect updates on the Vault's progress in the near future.
Crypto News Breaks. Brera Holdings PLC, NASDAQ, rebrands as Solmate after $300 million PIPE, led by Pulsar Group with backing from Solana Foundation, ARK Invest, and Rockaway X. Brera Holdings, trading on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BREA, is rebranding as Solmate, a Solana-focused digital asset treasury and crypto infrastructure company. This follows a $300 million private investment in public equity led by Pulsar Group, with backing from the Solana Foundation, ARK Invest, and Rockaway X. Marco Santori, former chief legal officer of Kraken, will take the helm as CEO. Solmate plans to invest in revenue-generating infrastructure projects in the UAE, starting with optimizing Solana validator performance in Abu Dhabi. With support from top blockchain and investment firms, Solmate aims to drive Solana adoption in institutional markets, DeFi, NFTs, and AI, while playing a key role in the UAE's digital transformation. UNDP to conduct blockchain crypto training for governments. The United Nations Development Program, in partnership with the Exponential Science Foundation, is launching the Government Blockchain Academy to provide training on blockchain technology, digital currencies, and AI for governments. This initiative aims to help the public sector better understand and utilize these technologies. Companies like Brera Holdings, Inc. are expanding their presence in various markets as blockchain-based products become more mainstream. Cryptocurrency Wire, a specialized communications platform focusing on blockchain and cryptocurrency, offers a wide range of services to help companies reach their target audiences effectively, including article syndication, press release enhancement, and social media distribution.
France, Austria, and Italy push EU to reform crypto regulations. France, Austria, and Italy are urging the European Union to strengthen cryptocurrency regulations under the MiCA law. Concerns have been raised about inconsistent application of rules across EU nations, potentially risking investor protection and creating unfair advantages for certain crypto firms. Major exchanges like Coinbase Global Inc. are closely monitoring the debates as any changes could impact the industry. Billion Dollar Club is a specialized communications platform focusing on top companies, offering access to various wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications. For more information, visit billiondollarclub.com.
Investor news breaks: Brera Holdings plc, NASDAQ BREA, to rebrand as Solmate following $300 million PIPE, backed by Solana Foundation, ARK Invest, RockawayX, and Pulsar Group. Brera Holdings, trading on NASDAQ under the symbol BREA, has announced a rebrand to Solmate, a Solana-based digital asset treasury and crypto infrastructure company. This follows a $300 million PIPE investment led by Pulsar Group with backing from the Solana Foundation, RockawayX, and ARK Invest. Marco Santori, former chief legal officer at Kraken, will take the helm as CEO. Solmate plans to deploy capital into revenue-generating crypto infrastructure in the UAE, including bare metal servers in Abu Dhabi to enhance Solana validator performance. With support from top blockchain and investment firms, Solmate aims to drive Solana adoption in institutional markets, DeFi, NFTs, and AI, positioning itself at the heart of the UAE's digital transformation strategy.
Matesco announces new managed services offerings, expanded application software team, and addition of digital currency experts. Matesco, Inc. announces plans to expand with new digital currency experts, managed services offerings, and an enlarged application software team. The company will assemble a team for digital currency operations, launch managed services in Q4 FY 2025, and grow its application software team to include custom applications for external clients. Additionally, Matesco aims to move to a senior exchange like NYSE or NASDAQ by FY 2026. CEO Mac Leith highlights the importance of engaging in digital currency growth and the new managed services offerings, emphasizing the company's commitment to growth and return to investors.
Cryptocurrency exchange Gemini rakes in $425 million during its IPO. Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange, raised $425 million during its recent initial public offering. This success highlights the industry's growth and integration into mainstream financial markets. Established companies like Canaan Inc., NASDAQ CAN, will likely be encouraged by this development. Cryptocurrency Wire, a specialized communications platform focusing on blockchain and the cryptocurrency sector, provides access to a vast network of wire solutions, article syndication to over 5,000 outlets, enhanced press release distribution, social media outreach to millions of followers, and tailored corporate communication solutions. With a seasoned team of journalists, CCW aims to help companies reach a wide audience and enhance brand recognition in the market. IMD Companies, Inc. announces resumption of cryptocurrency mining and strategic expansion into precious metals mining. IMD Companies, Inc. announces the resumption of cryptocurrency mining operations, focusing on ASIC-resistant altcoins optimized for GPU hardware. They are also expanding into precious metals mining through U.S. partnerships, aiming to diversify revenue streams. By targeting energy-efficient GPU mineable coins like Ravencoin, Ethereum Classic, Caspa, and Ergo, ICBU plans to maximize profitability in the 2025-26 market. Additionally, they are forming partnerships with U.S. gold and silver mine owners to benefit from rising precious metals prices. CEO Rick Wilson emphasizes the company's commitment to innovation and diversification, leveraging existing infrastructure for revenue growth in high-growth and stable markets.
Reports say crypto firm Gemini has welcomed NASDAQ as an investor. reports indicate that crypto exchange Gemini, founded by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, has welcomed NASDAQ as a key investor as they prepare for a public listing in New York. This move is being closely watched by other leading crypto firms like BitDigital Inc., NASDAQ, BTBT. If the IPO is successful, it could signal increasing acceptance of crypto firms by financial markets. Kazakhstan announces plans to establish Digital Assets Fund. Kazakhstan has announced plans to establish a national digital asset fund, showing a commitment to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev made the announcement on September 8, 2025. This move reflects the country's efforts to strengthen its economy and reduce reliance on traditional industries. As more countries embrace crypto, companies like Canaan Inc., NASDAQ Can, may see increased interest in their blockchain solutions. Billion Dollar Club is a communications platform focusing on top companies, offering access to various wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications. For more information, visit Billion Dollar Club's website. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.